What's up everyone? Today on this episode we'll be replacing the passenger side rear brake caliper on a 2011 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive. We'll also need some .3 brake fluid. First thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure the brake fluid reservoir is full. So to do that, it's on the driver's side. Okay, see right there, brake fluid access. Pop that, pop this, and you can check it out. Make sure the nipple is back in. Okay, pour it, fill it up all the way, as much as you can. All right, keep that because the suction will keep it from dripping away. All right, so we had this off before. Let's take this wheel off. We have some clamps in there. There we are. It's leaking from here. So brake caliper bolts, 15 millimeter. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, let's get these babies out. So over here, there's another one right there. Let's put this back in so it doesn't rotate the caliper. Thread that in a bit. Okay. Much easier, huh? All right. Cool. This guy, which is a 13. There. Take that off. Great. Take that off. Make sure you take off crush washers. There you go, buckaroony. All right, there's our bolt. All right, again, take off our bolt in the back. And then there it is. Next is take off your brake pads. Okay. All right. Okay, 18. We are going to use a 1/2-inch ratchet on this one for more grunt. There you are. Keep it top right, remember our rule? Just keep it from spinning. Smells like brake fluid in here. Okay, speed run, speed run. First off, here is our beautiful, correct part. All right, this one's interchangeable per side. So we will need to install our bleeder, which is going to sit on top. See how these two, one goes to the brake line and one goes to the bleeder. Here we have our pads. See how the piston mark is there? So that was the rear from the old one. There you go. Just kind of smooths things out. Let's try to put this one in. Okay. Tap, take it easy. There you go. Not bad. Top one first. Perfect. Okay, and the bottom one. 18. It's good to tighten this first. All right. Good. All right, so that's tight. Next, we're gonna install our bleeder. Take that baby out. Let's get right here, up top. It always sits up top because air bubbles will rise. Yeah, 10 mil for this one. And we're gonna go snug tight on this one. Okay, next, we're gonna install our brake line. Here we are. Here's our 13 millimeter bolt. And this is going to attach to the bottom. Remember, we had two washers. One goes to the head, right? Then through the connection, and one at the bottom. This will, they have like a crush washer style. So when we tighten down, it crushes on itself and creates kind of a seal. So let's go ahead and do that. Easy. Now 13 mil, tighten that baby up. All right. Next, we gotta tighten up our caliper bolts. I believe for this one, depends on what size your new one is. This one looks like a 13 here. Others might be a 14. So anyways, we're tightening it up. Okay. If you want to look up torque specs, just look them up. Just making sure that they're tight, which they are. Let's make sure that's tight. And then, okay. So, we get someone in the car, right? We have them pump the brake. So check this out. It should get harder. Oh yeah. And they're gonna hold the brake while you release this bleeder valve. And then they're gonna press the brake and you're gonna shoot stuff out. You're gonna have some bubbly noises, right? We're gonna get the wife to pump the brakes. You need a box wrench, it's easier. So open, it's open. And we're gonna close it now. Pump the brakes. See that? See it's hard? Press and hold. All the way down.
Down.
Okay. Pump the brake till it's all the way hard. Okay, it's pressed down.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're gonna release.
All the way down.
Okay, one more time, pump it all the way up.
Hard.
Okay, one sec. And then, all the way down.
Down.
Okay,
Do I let go?
no, pump it all the way up now.
Okay.
It's
Hard.
okay. All right, so that's tight. Looks like we're solid. All right, throw the wheel back on. Now, this car's been sitting for a bit, so we're gonna throw our summers on. What we took off was our winters. 110 foot-pounds. Okay. All right, so let's go for a test drive and figure it out. If you wanted to, you could do the rest of them. Since we bled the brakes, there's a little bit of less brake fluid in the reservoir. Make sure we're topped up. Okay, depress the nipple and then fill her up. Cool, nice and full. But it's good practice just to give it a test drive and learn how it all reacts. But also to show you guys that the repair is good and there was no clunking or whatnot. Because if I didn't do it right, then technically it wouldn't be able to drive properly. So, test drive. First thing after the brakes are bled, look at that. Nice and hard. All right. Okay. All right. Nice, I like it. No clunking. Brakes working good. Look, brakes are good. It's not pulling when I'm braking. Not bad. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. Made it back. Brakes good. So that is how we changed the brake caliper. Specifically the passenger side right rear brake caliper, as well as bleed the brakes. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later.